a world where traffic jams and pollution dominate our daily lives, an air revolution is underway. China takes a big step forward with the Expeng X2, a vehicle that combines elegance, innovation, and functionality by attacking the question of urban transport. As a vertical takeoff and landing electric vehicle, EVTOL, it offers a practical solution to the challenges of modern mobility. With impressive technical characteristics and intentions to integrate this technology into daily life, it raises questions about the future of urban transport. So, ready to discover what is behind this avant-garde innovation? Let's go. The Expeng X2, an air revolution. The Expeng X2 caused a sensation as an electric flying vehicle, marking a turning point in the field of urban mobility. Capable of flying for 30 minutes at a maximum speed of 130 km/h, it is the fruit of the technological advances of the Chinese company Expeng. Presented as an air taxi, this vehicle offers an alternative to traffic jams, making it possible to fly over the dense circulation of cities. Its innovative design, which evokes a drone more than a traditional car, allows you to accommodate 2 passengers while offering a space for their luggage. From a technical point of view, the X2 uses a light aeronautical aluminum structure and is coated with carbon fiber, which contributes to its energy efficiency. With 8 rotors and a distributed electric propulsion system, it ensures redundancy in the event of a rotor failure, thus guaranteeing passenger safety. In addition, it is connected to 4G and 5G networks, allowing fluid communication during the flight. The Expeng X2 cockpit was designed to provide a pleasant user experience with a clear view and intuitive commands. It can be manually controlled or in autonomous mode, making travel more accessible to a large audience. In addition to serving as a means of transport, this vehicle could also be used for medical or tourist missions, thus opening up new possibilities for low-altitude flights. In short, the Expeng X2 embodies a significant advance towards a new era of mobility, transforming our vision of urban transport while being part of a broader dynamic of air saving at low altitude. Inside the Expeng X2, the future of transport may well be in the air, and the Expeng X2 is a fascinating example. This vehicle, which looks more like a drone than a traditional car, is designed to accommodate 2 passengers while offering sufficient space for a few luggage. With its elegant water-shaped silhouette, the X2 is not only attractive, but its design also improves the effectiveness of the flight by reducing the drag. The Expeng cockpit is designed to provide an exceptional flight experience. Passengers take advantage of a clear view thanks to wide windows, far from the small openings of classic cars. The commands are modern and intuitive, integrating a floating screen that displays cards, flight trajectories, and other essential information. This creates an atmosphere that recalls that of a small spacecraft. The Expeng X2 is not only a leisure vehicle, it could also be used for practical purposes, such as urgent medical transport or tourist visits. By allowing a flight above traffic, it could become a precious tool in congested cities. Embedded technology also ensures a high level of security. With several backup systems, the X2 can stabilize even in the event of a rotor failure. Thanks to the distributed electrical propulsion, each rotor works independently to guarantee a safe flight. In short, Expeng X2 embodies a major advance in the field of air transport, combining comfort, safety, and performance to redefine our way of moving to urban environments. Expeng X2 test flight. The Expeng X2 test flight has sparked unprecedented international attention. In 2022, this innovative vehicle took off in the sky of Dubai, under the watchful eye of many guests, including representatives of the Chinese consulate and the media around the world. It was not a secret essay. It was a public event marked by the special authorization of the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority. Although no passenger is on board, this moment represented a significant advance for the flying vehicle industry. Upstream of this test, careful preparation was necessary. Expeng has collaborated with local authorities to establish a detailed security plan. assessing potential risks and creating a manual of operations in accordance with international standards. This process involved experts from various fields, thus guaranteeing that each step, from take-off to landing, would be made safely. The flight has highlighted not only the technical capacities of the X2, but also the possibility of integrating flying cars into the urban daily. Through this demonstration, Expeng wanted to show that these innovations are not futuristic dreams, but imminent realities. The public's reaction was positive, highlighting the growing enthusiasm for alternative transport solutions in increasingly congested cities. This flight was just the start. Expeng plans to perform more tests to refine its technologies, with the aim of making these vehicles accessible to the general public. The vision of a future where flying cars become an integral part of urban life now seems closer than ever. The Earth's aircraft carrier. What is the Earth's aircraft carrier and how does it work? This daring concept of Expeng Aero HT combines a land vehicle and a flying machine. The system consists of two parts. First, a 6-wheeled vehicle, 5.5 meters long, which serves as a basis. This vehicle, with a sleek and robust design, is powered by an electric motor which recharges the aerial part. Then, the second part is an aircraft similar to a drone, capable of taking off and landing independently or manual. When the vehicle reaches its destination, the device stands out and rises in the air. The terrestrial aircraft carrier is designed for emergency situations, such as evacuations in disaster areas or medical interventions. It can thus access difficult-to-access areas where traditional vehicles cannot go. At first, its use will be done only in controlled areas, in order to demonstrate its effectiveness. Expeng Aero HT plans to launch the production of this innovative vehicle in 2026, after having secured funding of $150 million to improve the model and establish a production chain. The price should be less than $300,000, already attracting more than 3,010 orders. The terrestrial aircraft carrier represents a major advance in the field of mobility, aimed at transforming the way we move. Although there are many challenges, especially in terms of air security and infrastructure, this innovation may well open the way to a future where air and terrestrial transport coexist harmoniously.